I think the real hero of the day was Toothless.
Isn't that right, bud? What would we do without you, old King of Dragons?
What? Oh, all right. You do know it's not a chew toy, don't you? Not a word. It's okay, bud. You belong there. With her. We don't. And that's all right. We'll find a way to manage. Now let's go get her! Hey, good morning, bud. There you go. Boy, you're full of surprises. You're right, bud. It's time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted, I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet. Go, Toothless.